Our designer range of black cookie boxes is the perfect choice to display your company's high-end products. Hello, I'm Mel from Boxed. These luxurious boxes are incredibly versatile, which is why they're such a hit with our customers. Whilst many customers use them for cookies, some of our clients have utilised the boxes for displaying jewellery, boutique children's clothing and other baked goods, so don't be fooled by its name. The sturdy design means you can stack the boxes even when filled on top of one another without the risk of them collapsing. They're also perfect for safe contactless purchasing and deliveries thanks to their clear slide cover. You can get super creative with the inside of the box by adding tissue paper and ribbons among other crafty things to make your items really stand out. To finish it off, add your company's sticker and you have a beautifully branded gift box. The gorgeous black finish is actually unique to us here at Boxed, and you won't find this particular design anywhere else in Australia. When ordering, there's no need for an account or ABN, and best of all, we ship all orders express. We've made sure our packaging is readily available to everyone. Like all our boxes, our cookie boxes come flat packed and assembly is really easy. Starting right here with this box, I'm going to show you how it's done. Before we start, it's important to have a clean workspace as the matte black boxes are not laminated, and the last thing you want to do is mark the box. We simply go to each end and you're going to fold right where the lines are, so it's very easy to see. And what I usually do is just do each side first so that you can have all the folds in place. So you've now got the 4 sides folded and you're going to pop to each one and you'll see there's a little corner and you can just pinch that in, turn it around to the other side. The same thing, you just pinch in the corner there, pinch in the other side and simply just push that down into place. Really, really easy. Okay, then you're going to grab this clear slide cover. We'll just move that to there. And you're going to open that up. And again, there's a nice clear line here for you to see. So you can fold that one along. Same on the other side. Simply find where that fold is and bend that into place. And you can pop that straight in there. And as you can see, it slides perfectly into place just there. Best of all, there's no need for glue or staples, so whether you're a professional bakery, small business or humble home baker, our cookie boxes are the creative solution to your gifting needs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching.